85. Channel 85.
Hey, Sam.
Little S, big A, little M. What up, Brandanovich? Oh, that's good.
You're familiar with Saturn?
Saturn has rings, yeah.
And
got it.
Jupiter.
They're like, okay, just go.
Jupiter also has rings. They're not as bright.
Visible. Aren't they just like more like, I don't know. Just keep going. I'm just, keep
So
talking.
it was noticed that the rings have ripples in them.
I was like, what are you doing? The rings have ripples. They're ripply rings.
And they were unexplained ripples. And especially Jupiter's rings had ripples.
So like they had ripples once, or it's like a constant steady rippling?
Recently, the ripples have been noticed.
Weird.
Yeah.
So
and there's
somebody
proposed explanation.
went like this in space, really hard.
Kind of. It is thought that comets.
I don't know that would work, because I don't really know how space works. But yeah.
It's thought that comets going by distorted the rings with their gravity.
And the rings were like, whoa.
So even though the comets have gone by, the ripples still went through for quite a while afterward.
Wow, that would make sense.
And they think they know which comet caused the ripple in the Jupiter rings.
Oh my gosh, this is weird.
Yeah, it's the Shoemaker-Levy that crashed into the planet Jupiter in 1994.
That is a long time ago.
Yeah.
I was 5.
It's a long time ago. And it made a few marks on the planet.
Weird.
Yeah.
That's bizarre.
Pretty bizarre.
Totally freaky.
That's what I think.
Ripply rings. So I feel like I learned this a long time ago, but aren't the rings just like particles, right? Like different, basically like rocks.
Mm-hmm. They're not solid.
Well, yeah, but like, oh, that's right, gaseous. Mm-hmm. I like that word. I think it's weird.
Oh, well, or rocks.
Like little yeah, like there's
bits of ice.
different like, because there's different like layers in the ring.
Mm-hmm.
Weird.
Mm-hmm.
That's freaky. That's
I think
really
so
all
too.
I've got to say about that is weird.
Yeah. I think it's cool that the gravity from the comets could be rippling through the rings well after the comets are gone.
How come it takes so long in space? Everything takes forever out there.
It's really far distances.
True facts.
You have to go.
True facts.
Just think how long it takes you to go somewhere on Earth, and then multiply it by factors of 10.
Whoa. My mind's blown.
Yeah.
Just getting blown away, just like the rings on the comet.
True.
Weird.
True.
So if it happened in 1994, how come they've only noticed it now? Or are they just not paying attention?
There's a lot of stuff out there. You can't notice everything immediately.
So I mean, I don't think it's not like rippling. It's probably just this tiny little thing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That they're making into like this big deal, but it's really not a big
I'm
deal.
just imagining like waves that like you could like surf on the rings. I know that's not what it's like. But
Definitely, probably not what
probably
it's like.
just little vibrations.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, if you have thoughts on Jupiter invisible rings and Saturn's visible rings and them rippling and comets and space and gravity.
I've seen Saturn's rings through a telescope.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's trippy.
It was stunning.
I really like those like space documentary movies.
Yeah.
They're soothing.
They are.
Anyway, send your questions and comments and concerns and all that jazz our way. scientificstation.com.